Welcome to the Intellitire installation guide for off-road vehicles. The system provides continuous remote monitoring of tire pressure and temperature to make sure your equipment stays running with the least amount of downtime. Sensors attached to valve stems on tires send tire pressure and temperature data through the cloud to the Intellitire system, which generates a warning email or text when a tire is having an issue, so it can be addressed before costly downtime. Let's get started with the installation process. Please refer to the enclosed instructions and safety warnings, and be sure you have enough time with the equipment to complete the job. The equipment mount includes the GeoTab device, the Bluetooth bridge, IOX, Bluetooth cable, sensors, a torque driver, and a 14mm deep well socket. You will also want to have wire cutters, pliers, wire terminals, and an inline 2-amp fuse. First, we install the sensors on each tire. We begin by capturing one of the two QR codes located on the top and bottom of the sensor. Notate which tire it represents in the Intellitire system. With the cap removed and the valve stem cleared of debris, use the torque driver handle to place the sensor on the valve. As you tighten, the torque driver will start slipping when you reach the correct level of torque. Once installed, check for proper airflow and pressure, then move to another tire. Next, we will install the Bluetooth bridge. The Bluetooth bridge receives data from sensors and transmits it directly to the GeoTab device. Attach the Bluetooth bridge in a central, accessible location on the equipment closest to the battery. It's magnetic, so it's easy to mount. For a direct battery connection, you'll need to add a ring terminal on the negative wire. Now, on the positive side, attach a 2-amp inline fuse and a ring connector there as well. Make sure all connections and splices are watertight by using heat shrink or waterproof connectors. The equipment must not be running during installation, and always connect the negative terminal first. Once the positive connection is made, the bridge will power up. Now we will install the Bluetooth IOX device, which receives wireless information from the Bluetooth bridge, so you don't have to run a cable directly into the cab. We'll start by connecting the Bluetooth cable to the IOX device. The micro USB connector can only be inserted in one orientation. And be sure to strap the connector in place with a zip tie. Next, we'll connect the other end of the Bluetooth cable to the GeoTab device, which easily snaps into place. The device can now receive wireless data sent from the sensors through the Bluetooth bridge and send it to your Intellitire system, which is now ready to be installed inside the cabin. Locate the diagnostic port, typically found in the driver's area at or below knee level. Align the connector with the port, push it into place, and lock it down. Next, find an out-of-the-way location to hide the wires and GeoTab device. This is typically under the dash, or in this case, behind the driver's seat. Be sure to secure it in place. Now, route the IOX to an open area inside the cabin, and place the device within clear view to establish an outside connection. Double-sided tape will secure it. This concludes the installation of the entire system. You're going to be surprised by how much time, energy, and money you're going to save when you spot problems before they happen.